everyone, welcome back. So today we are going to go through my freezer and my refrigerator, and we're going to pull everything out and get rid of the things we don't need or that have expired and put it all back together organized. So I will let you guys just enjoy some music while I speed up the video, and you can clean with me or just watch me clean and get some motivation. I hope you guys enjoy this. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and comment down below in the comments what is the weirdest thing you've ever found in your refrigerator or freezer. Thanks, guys.
Nothing to deny. Blown up because echoes through the halls. You keep sleeping on the couch just to prove the point. I'm too proud to tell you when I'm wrong. Arguments spinning in circles, we're fighting for days, stuck in a phase. I think we're losing the reason. One word is all it takes, babe. Bursting out in cold flames, breathing, we are catching fire. Thought that we were wiser. Go and light the match, babe. Miss out on the good days. Breathing, we are catching fire. Fire, fire. Fire, fire. Fire, fire. Fire, fire. Silent treatment ain't no cure, just making it hard. catching fire. Thought that we were wiser. Go and light the match, babe. Miss all of the good days. Breathe and we are catching fire. Fire, 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 fire.
I walk through the fire, the sound of a lion. I found my way back in the end. Baby, I've fallen for you and the way you make me feel. Don't need to pretend that I'm somebody else. With you I can't be myself. That sure is something else. Can we stay for a while until the fire's burn out? It's a shimmering night, setting is right. You got me falling. Did you know that? I wanna hear you say, you got me falling. Did you know that? Without you I fade away. I just assumed we were more than just friends, 'cause I felt the tension in the room. Caught in emotion on every occasion. Laughter in hours of gloom. Can we stay for a while until the fire's burned out? It's a shimmering night, setting is right. You got me falling. Did you know that? I wanna hear you say, you got me falling. Did you know that? Without you I fade away. Oh, I never meant to start a fire. As I said, you got me falling. You will always be my reason to stay. You got me falling. Did you know that? I wanna hear you say, you got me falling. Did you know that? Without you I fade away. You got me falling. Did you know that? I wanna hear you say, you got me falling. Did you know that? Without you I fade away.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today as any to see the horizon in the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the